students, we are starting a new lesson, lesson number 7, Introduction to HTML. Children, before knowing about HTML and working with HTML, first we will understand the importance of internet. Children, internet is a network that connects millions of computers all over the world. It is a super network and it allows people to share the informations and communicate with each other. Children, internet is a big source of information. We can find information on any topic that we want to explore. It can be topic related with education, science, politics, nature, environment, art, cooking. Almost every topic we get lots of informations are available on internet. We can use for our work. And on internet, children, informations are available in form of websites. There are millions of websites that are available on internet, and we can just explore the websites and we can just see the information. And a website is also again a collection of web pages. Just like a notebook has a pages, a website has a one or more web pages that are connected with each other and form a website. वेब पेजेस आपस में कनेक्ट होते हैं थ्रू द हाइपरलिंक्स एंड दैट फॉर्म अ वेबसाइट. And children, to see the websites, we use special type of software that is also known as a browser, like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox. These are some examples of popular browser. Children, now we will understand how browser works and shows us information. Whenever we want to see any website, children, we type the website address in browser window. Browser send the request to the server computers. There are millions of server computers available over the internet that are powerful computers that stores the information in form of websites. And when browser send the request, server send back the information in form of web pages to our browser, and we see the web pages in the browser window, and this way we just get the information from the internet. And as I told you, children, every website has an address. It is also known as a URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Whenever we have to see any website, we have to type its address in the browser window to open the website. And when we type the website address, the web server send the home page of the websites in the to our browser, and browser shows the home page of the website. And now through the hyperlinks, children, we can just open some other web pages of the websites, and this way we can get the information from a website. A web page can show the information in form of text, pictures, sound, video. Now children, we will understand that how we create the web page. Children, to create a web page, we use special types of languages like HTML, XML, WML, etc. Now we will understand about HTML language. To create a web page, children, we will use HTML language, that is also known as a hypertext markup language. And children, we create the web page offline. We don't need internet connection to create the web page. Once we have created our web page, children, we can just connect them using the hyperlink feature. We can create our own website, and there are nowadays various platforms are available. Through that we can upload our website. Now we will understand what is HTML exactly. HTML, as I told you, is a hypertext markup language, and it is used for creating a web page. It was designed by British scientist Sir Tim Berners-Lee, and every page, web page is actually a file. It is not just a page, it is a computer file that has an extension .html or .htm. These extension shows that this is a HTML file. And children, using HTML, we create web pages that are displayed on the World Wide Web. World Wide Web is a series of web servers that stores the websites. Hypertext markup language use tags which tell browser how to display the text. Children, HTML is not a programming language. We don't have to write the codes. It only tells the browser how to display the content of a hypertext document. And browser interprets the tags that are used in the HTML document and display the headings, paragraphs, tables, images according to the tags. Hypertext is what? Hypertext is a text that links the web pages of a website. Now we will just understand some features of HTML. First, it is used for designing a web page. Children, it is not a programming language. It is just used for designing, creating a web page. And it is a markup language because it uses tags to format the web page. It is a presentation language because it presents the information. It is not a case sensitive. We can write in capital letters or small letters. It has its own predefined tags we use. And children, in HTML, it is not necessary to just use the closing tag. If we like, we can use the closing tag. If we like, we can leave the closing tag. Next, it does not preserve white spaces. If we give space, it ignores those spaces. For space, children, we have to use a tag. And HTML is very simple and easy to use language for web page designing. Thank you.